Hey, Bodge. Today we will be seeing Beauty and the Beast at the movie theaters because Julie Turok really wants to see it.
Oh no, not that movie. I didn't want to see it. Please don't take me.
We are seeing the movie of Julie Turok and that's final. Now let's get there. And by the way, if you misbehave, you will be grounded and forced to wash Julie Turok's butt. I can't believe I have to see this movie. Grrr. And worst of all, it's Disney Princess, the worst franchise that ever existed. I heard that, Bodge. Shut up right now. I don't want to see the movie. Bodge, be quiet. You are distracting Julie Turok and I. Can I play video games until the movie's over?
Heck no.
Didn't you see the rules? No video games allowed. It may disturb people who also want to see Beauty and the Beast as well. Then how about I go to McDonald's? Nobody will know that I will go to McDonald's. That's not as distracting. Same answer, Bodge. No way. I'm still not taking you to McDonald's, although it's not as distracting. But still, we are staying in this theater with Julie Turok and seeing Beauty and the Beast. Now shut the frick up. Well then, take me home. I don't want to see this crap. Bodge, if you keep this up, we will go home. And yes, you will have to clean Julie Turok's buns, like I told you. Temper tantrum time in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roar! Beep.
Attention to the three of those people right there. The girl in the ginger hair in the pink and red shirt. The guy all in blue. And the girl with purple hair in the pink dress. You may need to be kicked out because you were distracting the movie. Bodge, how dare you get us kicked out of the movie theater? And now Julie Turok is crying thanks to you because now she can't see Beauty and the Beast. That's it. Let's go home right now and I will ground you.
Bodge, how dare you get us kicked out of the movie theater for misbehaving at Beauty and the Beast? That's it. You are grounded until Beauty and the Beast comes out on VHS. And like I said, as your punishment, you'll be forced to clean Julie Turok's buns. Now, get in the bathroom while I heat up the water to Julie Turok's favorite temperature. And to the people watching this, the reason why the next scene, Julie Turok will not be naked is because 1, I am too lazy to stop the video and change her out of her clothes. And 2, buddy poke logic. She could take a bath in her clothes all she wants. I can't believe it. I have to wash Julie Turok's buns as a punishment for misbehaving at Beauty and the Beast. Ugh, it's disgusting. There's poop everywhere. Wait, I got it. I can change the temperature very, very hot so she can burn and I won't have to wash her buns. Ha ha ha. Bodge, I heard that. Change the temperature and you're grounded even more.
Why? This really sucks.